What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investment and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, down 13%, major dump here. Sitting at 0.022, seeing a market cap of 144 million, 24-hour volume 95.36 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. They recently partnered with Lionel Messi. BitGet and Bybit are where I do my trading and investing. Make your first deposit. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, up to $30,000 on Bybit. And email me or sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So what we were previously looking at here, let me pop it open in the Discord quickly. Where is my Gala Games? Okay, so what we were previously looking at, if we were going to see upside potential, was potentially putting in a WXY. But obviously we dumped. I actually had taken a long trade, which got stopped out. There were some signals for Gala that we could potentially see a bounce from this level. We had a bullish divergence and there were some candlesticks, but you know, that's trading. It just went to shit and the price dumped. So looking at this sideways price action and how it's just chip chop, I've recounted the wave 5 a little bit, and it looks like we could be looking at an ending diagonal, in my opinion. That's the thing with Elliott wave and with any kind of technical analysis. When price action changes, and sometimes you'll just reanalyze your wave count or your technical analysis, and things can change here. So potentially what I'm looking at is that we're coming down in an ending diagonal in a 5. So we came down in a wave 3. We had a wave 4 pullback, looking to put in that wave 5. We have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, final wave 4, and looking to come down in a wave 5. And I think we may be going through an ending diagonal with this chip chop price action, which consists of ABCs into the waves. So you have a wave A, wave B, wave C into wave 1. You have a wave A, wave B. Just finished a wave C into wave 2, and now looking to come down in a wave 3. So within the wave A are 5 waves. So what I'm counting here is a wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, put in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we could definitely, we've already started to see a bounce from this level. I may look to get short off this bounce here. If I do, I'll drop the signal in the Discord for 10 USD per month. So if we do start to bounce here, which we're already starting to bounce, super oversold on the 4 hour, then you'd be looking for a pullback in between the 0.5, the 0.786, with a minimum target of the 0.382 at 0.22. And that 0.22, because most likely price is going to do a little something like this, is coming in, well, it's right in between the 0.3 to the 0.5, lining up with this down-sloping trend line. So we'll drop in some price targets, 0.023 and 0.027 for a wave 2 pullback. Now, of course, we can just keep dropping, and it just means that this subwave count is not finished yet, but we're super oversold. So if we see a bounce here, then we'd be looking for a rejection in that zone. I definitely may look to get short there. So if you want that trade call, I'll be dropping it in the Discord if I take it. All right, gang, you can sign up through the Patreon. Just plugging it in. And then you'd be looking to come down in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 5 and potentially bottom out with Gala. It lines up with the target here of the falling wedge. I've been talking about coming down to 0.017. And that's, it's a little bit sooner than I expected, but as you can see, we failed to break the 20 EMA. We just dumped down. So we're getting closer to that 1 cent range, and I'll just be absolutely loading the bags. I'm a big believer in Gala Games, and I really want to get some Gala token at 0.017. Can you imagine loading the bags at 0.017, literally 1 cent? Maybe 0.015 or 0.010. And Gala goes to, you know, $3, $4, or $5. Well, you're going to be fucking rich. But let's not get too excited. That's what I'll be doing, but of course not financial advice. Any cryptocurrency can go to zero, as we've seen with coins like Luna. So just be careful. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at. Potentially see a bounce from this level, get a rejection in between 0.023 and 0.026 with a minimum target of 0.0227. And then see the continuation to the downside, potentially see a rejection from this downsloping trend line. As you can see, we have this downsloping channel, and to me, it looks like we're coming down in an ending diagonal. Of course, I could be wrong, as my previous wave count has changed, and sometimes that's the way it is, but that's what I'm looking at. So smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to sign up to either BitGet or Bybit. Lionel Messi. be your friend if you sign up. Haha, just kidding. Once you make your first deposit, email me your sign up email to jacksdiscord77@gmail.com. It's in the description and in the comments. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, I give signals and analysis. So if you want early access to my analysis, if I don't post a video on a certain day for a certain coin, as well as you can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. It's only $10 a month, price of a Netflix subscription or Spotify. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.